needed to provide an extra building because there wasn't enough room here for all the children we currently have on roll, so we decided to put an extra classroom in. We wanted something that would fit in with the building as it is at the moment. It's quite a different sort of space compared to most schools. Although this has won an award, it is really sea containers within a metal frame. The doors are normal sized doors, so in order to get equipment and materials in, you have to bring everything in by hand. You can't get a high-up crane in here, you can't take the walls down. So we wanted someone who was going to meet our brief, but also understand how this building works and how it looks and what it means to the community. We went with Green Studios in Craig because he immediately understood the children, the ages of them and the needs they have. He understood immediately that obviously we wanted to meet with the building we had already and it looked like it was supposed to be part of the space. And we wanted a bigger footprint as we could get. During the design, Craig spent a lot of time on site looking at how the children use the space, how they move within it during the day, and researched and found out the amount of square footage that each child of age 2 or 3 has to have, and was able to change the design slightly to make it come out a bit further this way, a bit further that way, to give us that shape we have now, to allow for the amount of children who needed to be in there. The workforce were very professional. They responded to issues as they arose, or things they wanted to adapt. I would just get on the phone to Craig, he would call down to site, we'd have a think about it, talk about it. In Green Studios, that's what happens. The client needs something, the architect deals with it, the workforce do it. Young children need a lot of natural light. The original design had a window at the front and a window at the side, so we had another window put in the back. We also had a little space at the back that was like a little garden for the children. Once the building was in, it would be closed off and be a dead space. So we arranged to have another door put in the back to make the secret garden. Our children need to learn independence. In the original design there's just an ordinary door at the front, so we had a sliding door with a button low enough for them to push and they could get themselves in and out. The children love the building. It's not only their classroom, it's also a space where they have lunch, it's where they have small group times. The area at the back is their secret garden where they can go and do planting. They can get themselves in and out just by pressing the button there in and out the door. They don't rely on anybody else, they're learning independence, and it's just their space they feel safe in. The teachers and the staff are really excited about the building. They're really excited because there's more room for the children, it's warm and cosy, it's also airy and light. I would definitely recommend Green Studios to others, to colleagues in the same field and also to friends for private enterprises.